told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
We're highlighting ary-bloom today because she's a Mexican curvaceous plus-size model, content producer, and social media influencer. Her message of self-love is encouraging, and she exudes confidence and beauty. Latina model Ari has risen to prominence by proudly promoting body positivity and empowering curvaceous women through her platform. Her legion of devoted fans is constantly expanding thanks to her endearing personality, refined taste, and genuine charisma. Ari, a Mexican native, found her calling in life at an early age via her love of fashion and modeling. She loved women who challenged established beauty norms and proved that confidence actually defines beauty. Motivated by this approach, Ari began sharing her images and lifestyle material online. Her dazzling presence and eye-catching body rapidly gained attention, helping her transition into professional modeling. Ari has a stunning hourglass figure with approximate measures of 42-30-346, thanks to her weight of around 77 kilos and height of about 5 feet 6 inches, or 168 cm. Her radiant skin and self-assured demeanor bring out her best in any photo shoot, whether she's wearing lingerie, swimsuit, or casual attire. Her distinct sense of style and fearless demeanor have always made her stand out. Many diverse and plus-size fashion firms, both Mexican and worldwide, have cooperated with Ari over the years. Her advertisements include product promotions, swimsuit shoots, and lifestyle partnerships aimed to showcase true body representation. Each project represents her mission, to illustrate that beauty exists in every shape and size. On social media, ary-bloom shares more than just modeling images. She offers motivational words, personal observations, and lifestyle content that celebrates progress, confidence, and self-acceptance. Her admirers adore her real energy and inspiring enthusiasm, and she continues to inspire hundreds of women to embrace who they are without apology. Ary-bloom's story is a strong reminder that beauty isn't defined by standards, but by confidence, passion, and authenticity.